Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Rackspace hosting detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the cancellation process with Rackspace hosting, visit the official Rackspace website and log into your account. Use your registered email address and password for the login. Once logged in, navigate to the account section located in the upper right corner of the page. In the account menu, select billing to access your billing details and services. Find the specific service or plan you wish to cancel in the list provided. Click on the service to view more details about your hosting plan. Look for the option labeled Cancel Service or Cancel Subscription. After selecting the cancellation option, you'll likely be asked for confirmation. Review any potential charges or refunds that might occur upon cancellation. If you proceed, confirm your cancellation request by following any prompts. You should receive a confirmation email indicating that your cancellation is being processed. Check your email for any further instructions or notifications from Rackspace. If you don't see a confirmation email, it's a good idea to contact Rackspace customer support for verification. Once the cancellation is confirmed, double-check that your account is no longer being billed. Keep a record of the cancellation for your personal records. Ensure you back up any necessary data or files that may be stored with Rackspace before confirming cancellation. Following these steps carefully will ensure a smooth cancellation process with Rackspace hosting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.